Bluey and Bingo were chasing a ball when suddenly the sky cracked open. A swirling portal spun above them, glowing electric blue. Bingo shouted, "Bluey! What is that?" And then, zoom, out flew a rocket-shaped scooter, landing with a crash. The rider pulled off his helmet, spiky hair, goggles, a grin. "Name's Jimmy Neutron. Boy genius." Bluey gasped, "A genius? From the sky?" Jimmy winked, "More like from another dimension." His backpack whirred, gadgets spinning, sparks flying. Bingo whispered, "Bluey, is this safe?" Before Bluey could answer, boom, the portal shook again, and robotic dogs poured out, glowing red, claws sparking. Jimmy shouted, "They followed me. Quick, help me fight." Bluey barked, charging forward. Bingo darted around, dodging lasers. Jimmy pressed buttons on his pack, launching a net of electricity. But the bots cut through, sparks exploding. Tension grew. Would 3 heroes be enough? Bluey leapt high, smashing one robot down. Bingo tossed sticks, tripping another. Jimmy aimed his shrink ray, zap, the robot shrank to the size of a toy. But more kept coming, faster, louder. Jimmy gritted his teeth, "We need one big move." He tossed Bluey a glowing orb, "Plug it in your collar." Bluey's fur lit up, energy surging through her body. She barked, louder than thunder, waves of power blasting robots apart. Bingo cheered, "Go, Bluey!" Jimmy calibrated his ray, combining Bluey's bark with his tech. Boom! A rainbow shockwave wiped out the swarm, sending the portal crashing shut. Silence. Sparks fizzled. The yard was safe. Jimmy laughed, brushing off dust, "Not bad for pups." Bluey smirked, "Not bad for a genius either." Bingo giggled, "That was the coolest thing ever." Jimmy climbed back on his rocket scooter. Till next time, stay curious. Bluey looked right at us, eyes glowing with excitement. Did that battle blow your mind? If you felt the rush, hit like, subscribe, and stick around, because the next adventure might just come from another dimension.